Let's go over adding a new marketing source to your system, as well as setting up the distribution rules so that when leads come in through that marketing source, they can be distributed to the proper users. The first thing you're going to want to do is head to your settings. Once in your settings, you'll find marketing sources under marketing tools. Once in your marketing sources settings page, you'll want to go to add source in the top right-hand corner to add a new marketing source. That will take you here. Next, you'll fill out the information for your marketing source. So, what kind of source is this? For today, we'll choose pay per lead. Then you will name your marketing source. Name the campaign and choose what record type this will post to. Typically, it's leads. Next, for the campaign status, choose on. The rest of this information isn't absolutely necessary, but you can fill it out if you'd like. Then choose save and continue. Now, we're going to set up a distribution rule for this marketing source. So, you'll head to your distribution rules, which is found under your system configuration. That will take you here. To add a new distribution rule, you'll choose Create New Rule in the top right-hand corner. First, you'll name this rule. Choose the distribution status as on. Distribution method is typically push. You can choose a status change option if you'd like, which means that when a lead comes in from this source or to this distribution rule, it will change the status of that record. Next, choose your recipients. You can choose affiliate, all active users, department, team, or a specific user. We're going to choose department today. And we're going to choose our loan officer department. Depending on what platform you're using, the departments may be different for you. And for distribution order, we're going to choose oldest first, and we're not going to apply this to our import. Then we will choose submit. Now, to ensure that only records coming from that lead source of test, we are going to add filters. Next, we'll come down here to where it says filters and choose add filters. Type in the name of this filter, and then for our filter type, we're going to choose field. Next, we're going to choose source. Equal to, and then we are going to choose that source that we just added, which is test, and submit. Now, your distribution rules are going to hit in order from the list as they go down. So you'll want to drag the more specific rules, or the ones that have filters, to the top. This means that when a lead comes into the system, it will hit this rule first. If it satisfies that filter of coming from that marketing source test, then it will distribute through this rule. If it does not, it'll move on to the next rule until it finds one that it satisfies. If you have any questions about setting up marketing sources or distribution rules, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com.